It wasn't the Rose Bowl parade or Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade, but this little neighborhood Easter parade had all of the elements. Fun costumes, cute kids, great signs, police and fire trucks, a cool car complete with a little Easter-related tale, participants sharing kind greetings.
Happy Easter, Alexandria!
Happy Easter!
And people along the route grateful for the event. Several ladies from Arabella Ranch talk about how a fun little conversation blossomed.
We live in Arabella Ranch in the townhomes, and it started off as a funny joke of nightgown dresses for Easter because nobody can go shopping. So we started to put some things together, and it grew and grew.
And we have just a real fun neighborhood, and just one day when we were visiting, we thought, okay, this would be a good idea. So it started with just the 5 of us, and we ended up inviting the whole neighborhood, and everybody responded.
It blossomed into a parade. We had only 1 week to get ready for it, and quite the parade we were able to put together. Everybody at Arabella Manor is just ecstatic.
The parade lasted only a few minutes, and the visible crowds were very limited due to social distancing, yet there will be some reminders that people care about these residents. In addition to this gesture, Sadie Roers, for example, was asked to add some color.
Just to brighten the residents' day, since they're stuck inside like everybody else. It's kind of nice to just get out and add some color to their windows.
Sadie painted pictures in each of the more than 20 bay windows at Arabella, and with the help of owner Joni Neal, the parade participants also donated enough for flowers for each of the 64 units for Easter. Being a part of this gesture sparked some emotions.
I just want to thank everyone for participating today. I'm having a hard time because this is just so wonderful what 4 little old ladies can come up with and accomplish when we have to stay inside and protect each other. So what a blessing we are to each other, and happy Easter blessings to everyone.
These may seem like small gestures in and of themselves, but as we continue to add them all up across communities all over West Central Minnesota, it's obvious there's a lot of goodwill to share.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
For Voice of Alexandria, I'm Joe Korkowski.